Hey there, I'm Luke the Cookin Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. We are going off-roading with Mr. Cameraman and one of his friends. And of course, while off-roading, you have to have snacks. And we have, I believe, 3 different snacks to try. The first one we're gonna try are these dry roasted edamame sea salt flavor. We got these from Herbs in Lake Havasu, Arizona. So let's try them out. The only ingredients in these are soybeans and sea salt. They just look like dried out little beans. They're crunchy, but they still have like a beany texture. They're really good though. Really like the flavor. I really like these. Zena didn't want to eat one, but I love the texture. The flavor is super good, barely any salt. I mean, I am really into it. And this says that eating these may reduce the risk of heart disease. So try them do your heart a favor and try them. Like I said, it's just soybeans and sea salt. I mean, really good. These nutty and crunchy roasted green gems are great as a healthy snack, salad topper, or just to add them to your yogurt. That would be really good. Or favorite trail mix. I'm really excited to eat the rest of this bag. Well, we're gonna start off-roading and then we're gonna try some more snacks. See you soon. And here we've got snack number 2, these Rhythm Organic Naked Beet Chips. Also got these at Herbs. Very shrivelly. Those are good too. 7 grams of fiber for the whole bag. A serving size is the whole bag. Interesting. One of our favorite parts about off-roading is just exploring places you've never been before. So we are on Old Stage Road. Look at the views. We are just in the middle of the desert and we're about to get a cool little video of Barbie the Bronco coming up this hill. Zena likes to off-road too. Likes to have her head out the window. And we love to see all the cactus. They all look so perfect when they're just in the wilderness. And Barbie is a Ford Bronco Wild Track with a Sasquatch package. These vehicles can do pretty much anything. Look at that. And then this is Mr. Cameraman's friend. He drives a Jeep. Just put a lift kit on it. Looks super bad to the bone. That thing is pretty sweet. Well, we just finished the trail. It was about 14.5 miles. Took us like an hour and a half. Me and Zena are going to try our last treat while Mr. Cameraman is airing up the tires. We have these Terra real vegetable sweet potato sea salt chips. Now, I have tasted other varieties of Terra chips, but I've never had their sweet potato chips. It's actually pretty cool. On the back of the bag, it says they have 20 different varieties and flavors. So I'm super excited to try these. I love sweet potato fries. Wowza, some of them are huge. I got these at Sprouts Farmers Market. They were actually buy one, get one free. Ooh, that is salty, but delicious. Okay, maybe that first one had more salt than the rest. I could see myself eating the whole bag. They are really, really good. Well, overall, all three of these are definitely worth checking out. Zena didn't want to try any of them, surprisingly, but I thought all of them were super delicious. My favorite was honestly this Sea Point Farms dry roasted edamame, partially because it's resealable. So are the Rhythm Organic Naked Beet Chips. The resealable part of the bag is really, really good because then they're not going to go stale like these Terra chips. Unless you eat them pretty fast, I'm sure they'd go stale just like a normal potato chip. Well, thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you see the next time me and Zena upload a new video. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.